This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare the BMW M2 Competition and Ferrari. The M2 Competition is a potent, compact sports coupe, designed for thrilling performance in a more everyday package. In contrast, a Ferrari represents the pinnacle of exotic automotive luxury and extreme performance, often prioritizing raw speed and prestige. These two brands cater to very different driving desires and budgets, offering distinct experiences on the road and track. Under the hood, the BMW M2 Competition is powered by a robust 3.0-liter twin-turbo inline-six engine, delivering impressive power. Ferrari, on the other hand, often employs larger, more complex engines, including powerful V8s and V12s, some with hybrid assistance. This typically translates to Ferraris having substantially higher horsepower figures and quicker acceleration, pushing the boundaries of automotive engineering for ultimate speed. When it comes to driving, the M2 Competition offers a balanced, engaging experience with sharp handling that's enjoyable both on winding roads and for daily commutes. A Ferrari delivers a more visceral, often track-oriented thrill, demanding more from the driver. Financially, a new M2 Competition typically starts around $60,000 to $70,000. In stark contrast, new Ferrari models usually begin well above $200,000, reflecting their exotic status and bespoke craftsmanship. For everyday living, the M2 Competition offers surprising practicality with its usable rear seats and reasonable trunk space, making it a viable daily driver for many. Ferraris, while breathtaking, are typically less practical, often featuring 2 seats and limited cargo capacity, focusing purely on performance. Ownership costs also differ significantly, with Ferraris demanding higher maintenance. If you're looking for a blend of performance and daily usability, the M2 shines. And speaking of smart choices, check out the description for a link to those leak-proof meal prep containers, plus other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.